to make the perfect Instagram post. Next slide. Instagram is an app in which people use to communicate and share photos and videos. Yeah. Next slide. The first step to making a good or the perfect Instagram post is to pick a style. As you can see, I put up a few ideas. Artsy, group photos, quotes, selfies, quotes that can be inspirational, and finally that one. Next slide. Oh wait, no, not, wait, yeah, next slide. Okay. The first step to making the perfect Instagram, wait. Yeah. Okay, there are plenty more, but these are the ones that I personally enjoy the most. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do an artsy picture for my example. Is this slide 4? Okay. The next step, as you can see, is to figure out what you would like to take a picture of. Usually when you look up artsy pictures or see them on Insta, there are things like food, nature, or maybe even Christmas lights or fairy lights. Next slide. The next step is to make sure you have the best lighting that you can get. I put a few pictures of what you do not want in your picture. First off, you want the light to be shining in the middle, or you don't want the light to be shining in the middle of an object or your picture, because when a light is shown directly on the object, it tends to make it so you can only see the light and not any details of your picture. And this goes for any type of photo. Next, you want your light to be more of a whitish color than an orange or yellow. Honestly, I believe that the best lighting is natural lighting. So if you can find a window or maybe even go outside, your picture will become great quality and easy to see. And of course, you do not want your picture to be pitch black, unless you're taking a picture of like lights or just fairy lights. And yeah, and slide 6. Okay. You really need to have a clean or cleared surface so that way people can focus on your picture and not the nasty floor. You also want to find the correct surface depending on what you're taking a picture of. Say it were food, you might want a counter that is not just too distracting. And a few other good options or surface ideas are maybe glass, wood, brick, dirt, grass, or carpet, etc. Slide 7. The key to a good picture is its good quality. What people focus on is in a picture is, well, to see it. A good way to keep your hands from shaking is to keep your elbows down and in. Another way is to avoid blurry pictures is to raise your left shoulder and create a tripod with your knee. Okay, next slide. Editing is optional, but in this case I'm going to be editing my picture. Editing can be done on Instagram or any type of apps you have. I'm going to show the process of editing and show the final or the before and after picture. Next slide. I edited my picture by first starting with the brightness and decided to darken it a bit. Next slide. I then moved up the contrast, which brought out more details in the color. Your slide. Okay. I added more warmth to the picture to make it like more of a reddish color. I don't know how to really explain that. Next slide. I used saturation and made it 19% higher to make it shine or make the shine of the sun stand out. Next slide. I brought the structure to 27, which added a slight outline. You don't really want too much structure because it makes your picture look really fake. Last but not least, sharpen. I used sharpen 58% because it adds the slightest blur, which makes it look pretty good. Finally, my before and after pics. Next slide. Okay, so before and after. It looks kind of fake, but whatever. Okay. Last but not least, a hashtag. The definition of a hashtag is a word or phrase preceded by a hashtag or pound sign, and used to identify messages on a specific topic. A hashtag is optional. For this specific picture, I may post it and say hashtag leaf, because I was at leaf. Hashtags can be used and be whatever you feel or what makes it sense with your picture. Last slide. The end.